Yamaha recently confirmed that there will no longer be a new generation Yamaha R1 model produced in Europe. The reason the R1 is no longer produced in Europe is that the Yamaha R1 did not meet European emissions conditions by 2025. Therefore, there will be a completely new sport bike model that will replace the Yamaha R1 in Europe. In this video, I will show you the design of the brand new Yamaha R9M model and will be equipped with the 3-cylinder engine integrated with the turbocharged technology. This 2025 Yamaha R9M design was reviewed by a famous motorcycle magazine in Japan and is not an official design from Yamaha company. Magazines in Japan said that in addition to the 3-cylinder turbo engine, the R9's appearance design will be almost the same as the R1. Similar to its recently launched products, the Yamaha R9 will also be designed with a central headlight instead of double headlights like the R1. According to unverified rumors, the turbocharged engine that the Yamaha R9 is equipped with has a capacity of 999 cc and can produce up to 190 horsepower. If you like this 2025 Yamaha R9 design, please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos about superbike design in the near future. Thank you and see you.